So for today's video, we are at Factory Road level crossing in Waharoa, which is a very interesting level crossing. We've got two Kyosan barrier mechanisms on either side of the crossing, and we've got the bells offsetting and signs, and we've got two Western Cullen haze E-bells on either side of the crossing. And we've got two sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights on the other side of the crossing there, and we've got four sets of incandescent Western Cullen haze lamp style lights on either side of the crossing. So there's two on this side and then two on the other side. I have to say, I have never actually seen a level crossing. It's very rare to find a level crossing with incandescent lights, and it's especially rare to find one with this many sets of incandescent lights at it as well. Probably can't see the ones on the other side very well, but yeah, with that said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.